I had the worst problem with my teeth. I had so many that were broken apart and things like that. And I needed to do something. And I came up here to Aspire, and Dr. Harvey and the whole staff, they're just absolutely wonderful. I just couldn't have asked for more wonderful, caring people. I had to have all the extractions done, and some of them were broken teeth that, I really thought that maybe I'd have to go to an oral surgeon, but no. Dr. Harvey took care of everything. I mean, everything. And did the extractions, and then I got the temporary dentures and all of this while my gums were healing. And really, even after the extractions, Dr. Harvey called me later on that day to ask me how I was doing. And I really wasn't in really that much pain, not like I had thought that I would be. It was just really something. And I'll tell you, the one thing is, when you're contemplating getting dentures or bridges or a full mouth, and I decided that I would go with the full mouth implants, and I really didn't think that I would ever go with full mouth dental implants. I really thought that, just with the expense and all of that I would not do that. But I looked at my options, and I realized that it was the best thing to do was to go with the full mouth dental implants. And I mean, it is a process. And, when the gums, when the swelling went down of the gums and things like that, they took the temporary dentures that were glued in so that I didn't have to worry about taking them out every night or anything like that. And they added material in there to make them so that they would fit. And it does take a little bit to kind of get used to. You almost have to relearn how to eat when you've got that. But then when I got the full mouth dental implants, it was just like having your own teeth in there. There is a little bit of getting used to after those temporary dentures, but it was wonderful. You could eat, you can do everything, and it's just been a wonderful experience. And I just cannot say enough about the staff here at Aspire Dental Group. They're just wonderful. If anyone has any questions and they would like to give me a call here up in Lake City, Florida, I'm more than willing to talk to you and just let you know what to expect, and just, how wonderful and great it is. So it is great to have a wonderful smile and be able to eat all the foods I want to eat and just live my life.